How to activate Marketplace on new Facebook account. For this, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So at the very top, you should find this Marketplace icon. If it is not right here, there might be a case that it is currently hidden. To unhide it, simply go ahead and tap on the hamburger icon at the very top. From here, you have to tap on the setting gear option. Now scroll down, then tap on navigation bar and tap on customize the bar. As you can see, on the available shortcuts there is Marketplace and it should be on auto. If it is hidden, it will be under hidden shortcuts. So all you have to do is drop down this icon next to Marketplace, then tap on auto. Once you do this, you can head back to your home page and check out for your Marketplace logo. If it's still not there and your Marketplace is still not activated, you have to tap on the menu icon once again, scroll down, then tap on Help and Support and tap on Report a Problem. Tap on the option of Don't Include and Continue and select the option of Marketplace from here. In the dialog box, you can go ahead and write that your Marketplace logo is missing or your Marketplace is not activated. And you can also write that you need some of the solution to resolve this issue. And right here at the bottom, you should find the option of Upload from Phone, from which you can add a screenshot of your issue right here. Then once you are done, just go ahead and tap on the send icon and Facebook team must get back to you within 2 to 3 business days. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.